Sea Falcon. I'm at Schlitterbahn today, New Braunfels. I don't know if y'all could see here. Part of the big old slides up there. Oh, the battery's already at half. Wave pool. My battery's already at half. Yeah, we're at Schlitterbahn, New Braunfels. Opened up in 1979. I've actually been coming here since it's opened. What we're gonna do right now is run down here, grab a tube, go for a ride. I'll bring y'all along with me. See the tube collection area. Pretty big line already. Huge line. Raging River. A lot of people here. We're on the Raging River now, baby. Water's ice cold. Here's the body slide ride here. Oh man, come on, get on.
What's the slide called?
Wanted to see someone go.
I think it's amazing because it's so fast.
And you get air on that ride. Water spring fed here. There's a tube ride up there. See the line is that little platform. Whoa. Kids areas over there. Here we go. Oh. I'll push you over there. Ready? Woo! Yeah. I'll give you a push. Ready? Yeah, he's about to blow the whistle on me, so I would have kept on.
All this, there is a big drop.
Yeah, gotcha. Oh, shit. Alright, this is the Comal River right here. Part of the park. You just float through here on a little tube float, and there's one more exit. This is spring-fed water here. So they pump it up to the ride from down there. There's a regular swimming pool and a hotel and motels. So you could get a room here if you want. They have several motels, hotel type of rooms. They also have a lot of houses around that they purchased around the neighborhood. There's a ride called the Congo Outpost. I don't go on it. It used to be just a regular pool. There's an awesome ride. This is a really fun ride. It's very fast. You have to have a tube to go on it. I would try to camera it, but I'd body crash if I hold it.
Well, you'd be home right now. At our resort, you not only wake up next to a water slide, but your tickets are included.
You want to get here early at 10 most times. Otherwise, sometimes I'll come at 4 or 5 o'clock, 4 or 5 p.m. to get parking. I come at real 10 o'clock. You can find some spots under shade. I highly recommend that. So they open at 10, and the schedule varies. You go to their website, Schlitterbahn.com, New Braunfels. You'll see the full schedule there and all the attractions. So this is the ride I was just on right here, this tube top. You can see there's another one down there. And then the river's down there. So they got 3 layers of it. Yeah, look at this crazy line over here for the tubes. Here's the master map of the place. So this is the one I rode here earlier on the right. And on the right there is the newer part. Lagoon activity. Here's a lagoon pool. It's spring fed, so it's nice and cool. There's a soda straw over there, comes out. There's a hot tub bar over there. The tube place, picnic. You could bring an ice chest here. Just no glass. There's plenty of food, and there's a beer and wine. Yeah. So in 1979, the first time I came here, my mom sent me with the Boys Club of San Antonio, Southeast Side Boys Club, for $20 an authorization form. We came out here in our bus, which was an old broken down ass bus, a bunch of poor kids, and they brought us down here. We had to kind of congregate in this pool so they wouldn't lose us. They only allowed us to ride the rides that are attached to this, like that soda straw up there. And we also played volleyball over there. So I'll never forget that day. I was 9 years old, I believe. 9 or 10, I'm not sure. So it was 79, I was born in 69, so that would be 9 years old. Artificial waterfall. Man, that felt great. Woo! Chicken tenders. $11. So with my diet, this is about the only thing I could eat. There's no gluten in there. Well, there's probably some gluten in the breading, I'm not sure. Not enough to make me sick. Chicken tenders. There's some buses that take you to the other side of the park. Bus shuttle. We got a dedicated motorcycle parking, so I'll have to bring the bike and park it here. And you could even probably chain it up to that, but I don't think I'll have to chain it. There's the bonsai pipeline. So you can see the crowd is huge today. The parking is completely full. They have a lot of parking here.